Hey, it's November 1st, 2023, and I just was looking at the market data for the Albuquerque area. We're looking at the residential real estate market here in Albuquerque. I always look at it on the first, kind of see where the numbers came in for the previous month. It's early, but I want to go through a couple things that I see here and just wanted to point out. I think most people recognize that the housing market has been slow, definitely slower than previous years. So if we look at closed sales, for example, a lot of peaks and valleys here, but if we look at the total number of sales, and we're looking at a 12-month rolling here, you can see, annual pace around 7,600 homes, and we're looking at single family, detached, resale homes. I took new construction out just so we can get a really clear picture in that one segment. So about 7,600 homes, and you compare that to the peak here back in 2021, almost 13,000 homes. So definitely the number of sales are down. We still have some more to come in for October too, so this isn't exactly accurate. But what I really wanted to look at was the pricing. So it's kind of this tale of two real estate markets. We've got slow home sales, slower. Let me put it that way. I mean, slower in the sense that there was still, what's the number here? Uh, in this case, 550, 600. So we're probably going to bottom out somewhere around 600 people, bought a home in Albuquerque area last month in October. And again, just single family, resale, detached is all we're looking at here. So it's actually more than that. But pricing, that's the thing I want to get to is we're going to see the numbers here with average price and median price. They're going to be down from the peak that we had here in August. But if we look here, this number is year over year. So this is comparing November this year to November last year, 2022, up 3.4%, but that's average. If we look at price per square foot, which I prefer, kind of takes out some of the size of the house variables, we're at about 7%, 7.5% in the average, and it's right around about the same, 7.7 in the median. But you can see we have come off the peak that we had here in August, which is similar to last year where we had our peak in June of last year. Now you can see from the beginning of the pandemic, starting right here, March, April of 2020, we really kind of had a straight line up until last year. There was one little pullback here, seasonal pullback from November of 2020, but really it just kept going. It's actually more normal to have these seasonal peaks. So if we go back, let's look at where we at here. 2015 peaked out June, July, pulled back in January. We go to where we at here. 2017, June, July, August, peaked out, pulled back in January. Even in 2018, peaked and pulled back. 2019. So you get the point. There always is going to be this seasonal ebb and flow of home prices. And so trying to track it month to month can be a little difficult and frustrating. And of course, last year it was a pretty substantial pullback from the peak in June to January when it started, home prices started going up again. So we'll see how that shakes out this year. Obviously, interest rates are really the thing that's super challenging for folks. Of course, the fact that prices have gone up as well. But we're in that 8% mortgage percent right now, so that's tough. And we hope there's some relief on the way, but at the moment, it's not looking like it, unfortunately. So it looks like we're going to have these kind of higher mortgage rates for a while. So a lot of data there. You can also jump to our website at welcomehomeab2q.com. I've got it down here at the bottom, and I've got a bunch of market stats there. Or you can just reach out to us. We're the Venturi Realty Group at Real Broker 505-448-8888. Take care.